In order to find and manage sound settings on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first of all we need to open the settings on our phone. Now in here we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and there we go, here we have sound and vibration. So in here we have the option to change the notification sound, ringtone, and the default alarm sound. We also have the volume slider for media, ringtone, and alarm, and also we can activate the slider for notifications, but by default it is actually the same as ringtone. So if you want to change the notification volume, you need to change the ringtone volume. Besides that, we have sound options. So we have the silent mode, and also we can silence media in silent mode. And we can also find do not disturb settings, where you can also just toggle the NT mode if you want to. After that, we have a couple of vibration settings. So we can vibrate for calls, we can toggle vibrate for calls, and also we have vibrations in silent mode. We can also toggle haptic feedback, and we can adjust the intensity of the haptic feedback if it's of course used. In sound effects, we can find Dolby Atmos and Xiaomi Sound. You can choose which one you prefer to use. We have equalizer, audio equalizer, and for our phone, you can choose one of these presets, or you can create your own custom preset. There is also the immersive sound option and a couple of earphone controls settings. And of course, we have additional settings where here we can enable the separated notification volume slider, so the one that I had shown you in here, so you can turn it on quite easily. There's also adjust media sound in multiple apps, multiple audio sources, and a couple of different system sounds that we can easily enable or disable just by tapping on these switchers. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.